Are you looking for the best drones under $500 2023 seconds top value for money drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones under $500 2023 seconds top value for money drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini 2 2023's best drone under $500 overall. Simply the best. No need to consider another drone in this review until the competition catches up. DJI just launched an upgrade to the biggest game changer in the drone industry, the Mavic Mini drone. The foldable, under 250 grams drone is getting all of its specs and features improved with the new Mavic Mini 2. I'm sure you have already heard, seen, or even flown a DJI Mavic Mini drone. It is one of the most recent drones by the famous brand DJI. Well, right now, the Mavic Mini 2 brings the amazing 4 Kelvin camera and stability, plus class-leading flight range and flight time from the Mavic series to the under $500 price point. Shipping for the original Mini started on the 11th of November 2019. Moving forward to 2023, these models remain the best drones under $500. It's extremely easy to carry around in a backpack, and it's one of the best for holidays, filming outdoor events, vlogging, or pretty much anything. Very compact and lightweight. Not only can it be carried anywhere, but it's also the most accurate and stable drone under $500. Everything you need to truly experience an out-of-this-world performance, from beginners to seasoned drone pilots. This 4 Kelvin drone is a wonder in any hands. Even a baby can fly this thing. Number 2. Holystone HS720E top budget option under $500. Holystone is generally regarded as a strong competitor to DJI. Some of their drones have started to stand out from the rest, and the company continues to prove itself to its customers, showing that it deserves their share of the market. One of their better drones has to be the recently updated Holystone HS720E, also featured in our recent buyer's guide. I must admit I was very surprised by HS720's performance. It genuinely feels like I'm controlling a high-end drone. Much more expensive than the mid-range. Highly responsive, very maneuverable, and capable of flying in windy conditions. I must add, if you're a fan of aerial photography and videography, but do not have a high budget, Holystone's HS720 is one of the best drones you can get. At the price well under $350, it won't disappoint you. Number 3. Ruko F11 with Gimbal. Most versatile drone under $500. As a recent addition to the market, the innovative and rather impressive Ruko F11 Gimbal offers a plethora of high-end features, which is precisely why it's one of the best drones under $500. Even though Ruko is a mini, foldable quadcopter drone, its design comes off as sizable in comparison to Holystone's HS720E. Being a small camera drone that has an air of bulkiness, the Ruko F11 is still compact because it is foldable, and I have to say that its set of capabilities amazed me. It managed to outshine its price scope on multiple fronts. I enjoyed how easy to fly this drone was due to its agility and the 3 intelligent flight modes that it offers. Because of this, Ruko F11 allows smooth flights while being durable enough to sustain any in-air impact. I have to say that paying a little over $300 for a drone with an exceptionally long flight time along with an abundance of outstanding features is one of the best investments you can make, and not regret it later. Number 4. DEERC DE22 Pro Drone, best foldable drone of 2023. When it comes to the balance of features and price, DEERC drones are among the best on the market. And you'll be glad to know that they offer cheaper alternatives than their competitor, the Hong Kong-based DJI. DEERC DE22 Pro drone comes with a few significant advantages, like the fact that it includes 2 batteries, providing you with more than 50 minutes of flight time. It also comes with a sleek remote controller that features a small LCD that shows the essential stats for your flight. This impressive drone is priced at about $400 and serves as a great all-in-all option for our top drones under $500 roundup. Specifications. The drone features brushless motors, meaning you'll find that it's much quieter than most other drones when it flies. In addition, these motors last longer, and they don't overheat quickly. The construction of this drone's housing feels solid and durable. It serves well in protecting the interior electronic parts. Even if the drone were to crash, we believe it would absorb most of the impact. As we already mentioned, the DEERC DE22 Pro drone comes with 2 batteries, and each can give you about 27 minutes of flight time. However, due to dynamics, you won't get the promised time. Nevertheless, even 25 minutes of flight time per battery is very good. Number 5. Force One F100 GP best entry-level drone under $500. Right off the bat, the Force One F100 GP is not the best drone that you can get for under $500, nor is its camera. However, it's one of the best drones to get if you're just starting to fly drones and have no experience as a pilot. The drone comes equipped with everything you need to get started and fly it right away. It's also worth mentioning that it's GoPro compatible, so if you decide to expand your possibilities once you hone your skills, it's entirely possible. And did I mention that it comes with 3 shells in different color schemes: black, blue, and ghostly white. You can customize your drone, which is a great bonus. Also, the manufacturers offer a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the drone. That's very unlikely to happen, but it's always good to know that you're backed up. Specifications: the flight range of this drone, propelled by powerful motors, goes up to 500 meters. They market it as long range, which isn't really the case compared to some other, more expensive picks, but at this price, the range is more than satisfactory. The battery lasts around 17 minutes on average, though you can get a longer flight time if you only fly the drone at the second speed. Also, the included battery charger is pretty efficient for this price. Number 6. iFlight Nazgul 5 Best Racing Drone of 2023. When it comes to racing drones, iFlight Nazgul 5 is definitely this year's winner in the category below $500. It's a perfect beginner FPV quadcopter that's also affordable and of very good quality. First, we should mention that the iFlight Nazgul 5 comes as a BNF or PNP. The BNF version provides 2 different types of receivers, FrSky XM Plus and FrSky RXSR. On the other hand, the PNP version comes without a receiver, so you'll have to purchase a separate receiver. At the time of writing this roundup, the Nazgul 5 comes with an affordable price of about $400, a steal for a good quality racing drone if you ask us.